Hello friends. So further, I have added this in our app.component.html, that is app-first, that is our element first of first HTML, first component. Okay, I am rewriting it like we have to do this, and on closing this, our app will be added to our app.component.html in our first.component.html. So it works here. Okay, now after this we will be looking at some more concepts in Angular, like how we can share the data. Okay, let's I'm just writing it, sharing data using @import decorator. You can write it like here and this. Okay, @import decorator using. So first I will just, let's see what we can do. I will go to our first.component.ts file. Here I will create a particular variable, or you can say a particular property in our first component. Okay, with @import decorator, decorate it. Okay, with it. So first I will create an input decorator. So what's the idea behind @import decorator? @import decorator can be used for in a child class, so that whenever a parent component calls a particular, first we will go to our app.component.ts file. Here I will create a particular property like currentItem equals to, we can have a particular value with Angular. Okay, currentItem is Angular. So this property will be passed from app element and will be taken to the input. Okay, so in here what happens, a property which is Angular, we will pass it from our app.component.ts file to our child component in our item property. A value will be passed from current item to item, and it will be listed or printed on our screen in our first component, that is in our child component. So there will be a transfer of data from parent to child using @import decorator. Okay, so I'm just writing it. A values gets passed from parent component, that is app, to first component and gets printed. Okay, the same thing which I told you. And now in our first.component.html we have used this. Okay, and then here in our app.component.html in box bracket we will bind item variable to our app, to our property, that is current item. So the value will get passed from current item to item easily, that is Angular will get passed to item. Okay, so let's see. We have created our @import decorated with @import the variable, okay, item, and the value will get passed from current item to item using @import property, the decorator. The item variable is able to collect the data from another variable which is present in our app.component.ts file. Okay, so here we have also binded it in our app.component.html, and here let's see the other things. So this is how you can share a data between from parent component to your child component in Angular. So this is how your data will look like, that is sharing data using input decorator using Angular.